Salut! I hope you enjoyed the dictée and you thought it was easy. Since you already have your cahier out, I just want you to put your pencil down for a second, put down your crayon, your stylo, your crayon de couleur, feutre, whatever you're using, and turn your attention to the whiteboard, the tableau. We're going to take a little bit of notes, but right now you're just going to watch. We talked about un and une. You're going to get a chance to copy my notes. So right now, I just want you to watch and listen. Full attention. So we have un and une. Un and une. We know that un means a. We talked about this in our meet. Une also means a. So when I say un crayon, I am just saying a pencil. Right? And when I'm saying une chaise, I'm simply saying a chair. Une chaise. A chair. Un and une just mean a. I need a pencil. I need a pen. I need a sheet of paper. Une feuille de papier. Un crayon, un stylo. So you may think, why do we have to have two words for un in French? Well, many of you have been studying Spanish for a long time, and you know we have this in Spanish as well. And this is what we talked about, how every noun, person, place, or thing gets a gender associated to it. A person, place, or thing. So a thing, a pencil, a chair, un tableau, un feutre. Everything. Un portable. Everything gets something attached to it. So un is what is used with a masculine noun. Un. So with a masculine noun. Now, again, you don't have to be writing this down. You're going to get a chance to take all of these notes. Un is used with a masculine noun. Like, what are some of ours that we know? We already have said un crayon a whole bunch of times. Also, we said un stylo, didn't we? Un sac. I know everybody loves to say sac à dos. Un sac. What was some of the other easy? An ordinateur. I was just thinking of some of the easy terrible handwriting on down there. So, s'il vous plaît. Un masculin, just like un, deux, trois. Un. Un crayon, un stylo, un sac, un ordinateur. Bravo. And then, with a feminine noun, we use une. Using it with a feminine noun. Now, we also have seen a lot of examples here. Une chaise. Une fenêtre, the window, or a window, I should say here. The is a different word. Une fenêtre. Some of my favorite words, I can't help. Une calculatrice. Une agrafeuse. So this is une. So écoutez, une chaise, une feutre, une calculatrice, une agrafeuse. How do I know which words are masculin, which words are féminin? When am I going to use un? When am I going to use une? All right, so we already pointed out that a lot of these words that are féminin have this E at the end. Une chaise. When you have an E at the end, it's usually féminin. Chaise, calculatrice, agrafeuse. Oui? All of those words, if you look on our vocab list, you can use the Quizlet list, they end in an E. Oui? There's one other time that it is féminin. Oui? When it ends in I-O-N. Oui? Télévision. That's feminine. The word in French for to have a discussion is a discussion. Une discussion. We're having a discussion. We're going to have a presentation. Présentation. Sorry. Présentation. Féminin. Oui? Everything else is masculin. Oui? Again, remember this is 99% of the time. 1% of the time, you're going to have what I like to call our renegades. So attention, watch out for the renegades. Renegades, they don't follow the rule. The rule is if a word ends in E or ION, it's féminin. Well, just look at our vocab list. There's already 3 renegades. Oui? So for example, un livre. Look at this. It ends in an E, but it is masculin. Not cool. There's 2 more. Look at this. Un portable. Un portable. Look, ends in an E, but it's masculin. And then the last one, un feutre. So we have 3 that we are already learning about that end in an E, but still take un because they are masculin. Oui? All right, we're going to be practicing and working with this. This is our first kind of introduction to these. Oui? Now, before you take your notes, I just want to show you something that you can guess based on everything I just told you. If you see a word and you don't know it, now there are renegades. You're not expected to know the renegades. You learn those as you go. If you see a word that you don't know, but you're going to make a guess. Look at the word for necklace, collier, like collar, collier. Collier. What is your guess? Right now, what is your guess? Un or une? Does it end in an E, an ION? What's your guess? That's right. Un collier. It's masculin. Oui? What about this watch here, my Apple Watch? Montre. Do you think we're going to say a watch? Do you think we're going to say un montre or une montre? Look at it. What does it end in? E. And since we don't know, we're going to take our best guess and we're going to be right. Une montre. Like I said, as we continue to go